Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Dash Direct to bank account. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the card provides the capability to transfer funds to your bank account or to someone else by using their routing and account details. So first thing you need to do here is you need to open the Dasher Direct app and select Move Money to initiate transfer to any US bank account. Now, if the recipient is in your list of previously used accounts, input their name and the transfer amount for the first time transfers, click recipient, then add and enter the recipient's bank details. The transferred money is expected to reach the recipient within 1 to 2 business days, with weekend transfers processed on the next business day. There are no fees for transferring money to your own bank account. Note that once a transaction is initiated, it cannot be halted. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.